Pyramids whisper through digital haze, golden sands beneath the chrome sky, a desert of circuits where gods never die. Sands of neon dreams burning bright, past and future clash in eternal fight. Through the storm of time we rise unseen, lost in the glow of neon dreams. Scarabs crawl on wires, ancient code, hieroglyphs hung where the dead flows. The Nile turns black, a river of light, Anubis walks through the endless night. The stars align, the gears will turn. What's lost will rise, what's built will burn. Sands of neon dreams burning bright, past and future clash
is King Kong speaking to you. Feel the power. Feel the love. Let's build the King Kong Knockout world together. Every like, every share prune is your hand shaping our dream. To everyone watching around the world, let's fill this planet with love and unity. Together, we are unstoppable. Thank you for every moment, every fan, every heartbeat. You are the reason King Kong Knockout exists. From the bottom of my heart, I love you all.